Alright guys, there's something special going on here. John over here invited me down to have a look at this critter, and we just don't know what it is. He's a monster. Look at the size of it. Okay, somebody out there should be able to tell us what he is. Whatever he is huge. What's he, about 8-10 inches long? Yeah. The size of him. He's a beauty. I thought these guys only in the rainforest, and obviously, no, have a look at his colouring. He's pretty quiet. I'm waiting for him to jump on me. Check him out. He's a beauty. Lucky you didn't squash him, eh? Or something. Wow. That is amazing. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not doing a wash today. Simple fact, my eyes were watering like crazy this morning. I must have got a bit burnt from the welding yesterday. John welded my sand chute yesterday, and I'll show you shortly. And yeah, it affected my eyes. I don't know, John's immune to it. He's so tough. Anyhow, wow, that is amazing. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Here we go, guys. This is what John done yesterday. He's welded everything up. Okay, I was giving him a hand, but this took all day. I mean, a massive amount of work. You see, everything is welded together. The sand chute, so she doesn't fall apart. She started falling apart, and see all the welds. So she's well and truly welded, and I've siliconed it as well to seal it off. Now I can put the bolts back on, put this rubber back up, unscrew it, and put a rubber over here, and then I'll put the sand chute up so that way I can use it. And going to get the specialized springs for this type of work, and then possibly free it from touching the sides, and that should stop it affecting the trommel itself in any which way. That's what we're hoping for, I think, something like that. And of course it won't rattle itself loose, hopefully. Anyhow, we'll see how it goes, and that's about it. Alright guys, this is a short video. As you might have noticed, that stick insect of some sort. It's not a stick insect, by the way. I don't know what it is. Maybe one of you guys can tell me what it is. We'll find out. Anyhow, I'm going to do some work up top. As you can see, I went and got water. Ran out of water last night, so, well, late yesterday afternoon when we finished, I had to go do that as well. And so yeah, home duties today. What else? It's a good day. I was actually, my eyes were water. I mean, I've never had that, but they were pouring out this morning. I couldn't see. That's how much. Any light, just wow, I had to shut my eyes. Anyhow, that's all done now. I can start seeing. And it's overcast, so I don't have to look at the sun, which is great. Tomorrow I'll be back to normal. Till then, bye for now. And like, share, subscribe. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Bye for now.